So in my previous video I discussed on least common multiple LCM. Now I am discussing about highest common factor. What is highest common factor? Highest common factor is a number, is the largest number. In other words, the largest factor of two or more numbers. Like 24, I take 24 and 18. So how to find out the largest factor, common factor for these two numbers? You have to write 24. So you have to start with the lowest factor of 24. So 2 is the lowest factor of 24. So 2 12s are 24. Again we can divide 12 with 2. So we will get 6. 6 is divisible by 2, again 3, and now you can write 3 ones are 3. And now 18, we have to divide it, start with 2 as is the lowest factor of 18. So this would be 9. Now we cannot divide 9 with 2, we have to take 3. 3 3s are 9. If you wish, you can do this. Now for 24, you have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and for 18, 2 into 3 into 3. Now your job is to find the common factor present in both 24 and 18. So these 2 is common in both 24 and 18. You have to find pair. Remember, you have to find pair. There is a 2, another 2, but in 18th row there is no 2. There is a 3 in 24. There is 2 3 present in row of 18. You have to find, as I told you, you have to find the pair only. So you are selecting this 3. So we get only 2 pair. So we have to write 2 into 3. 2 into 3 equal to 6. This is the HCF. HCF equal to 6. This is the largest common factor of 24 and 18. Okay. This factor can divide, this is the largest factor, this can divide 24 and 18 completely without any remainder. Okay. So you can test it by your own, and if you have any question, let me know. You comment in the comment section. I will try to make you understand again. Okay.